No elevator, third floor. I guess a two-floor walk-up. One, two, third floor, you walk up 2 flights. Walk in, there was an anteroom with a telephone, and a living room straight ahead, and a big double window doors, glass doors, opening into what was the dining room, but was converted into a bedroom, master bedroom for them. And further down the hall was a kitchen with an icebox. Not a refrigerator, an icebox. And a bathroom, and further on the left was a bedroom on one side, and the other side it's another bedroom. So we converted the dining room into a bedroom, so it was a 3-bedroom, 1 living room, 1 kitchen apartment, and 1 bath. The kitchen and one of the bedrooms and the bath faced the courtyard. Another memory. In that courtyard, I suppose you would call them poor musicians would come. And I remember them playing the violin in the courtyard. And people would throw their coins out the window. Yeah, that's right. Things that come back to you. Sweet violinist, but all I could do was play in the courtyard for pennies and dimes and nickels. Yeah. That was it. Eventually, the house had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people living in it. At one point, there were 8 people living there. My mother and father, my sister, myself as 4. My little brother was 5. My cousin Michael, whose story I'll tell you later, is 6. My aunt, my great aunt, my mother's aunt was 7. Maybe there's only 7 people. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 kids, 7 people.